This fish has a transparent head that looks like a light bulb. Its two green eyes are located inside its head. It was discovered by a submersible diving to just 600 meters. This fish is called a barrel eye. Its retinas are highly developed, allowing it to see clearly with even a little bit of light. As the exploration continued deeper, the submersible discovered many other strange-looking fish, such as one that resembles a fish with cataracts, and some that look like monsters. At a depth of around 1,000 meters, where there is almost no light, many bioluminescent creatures were found. This harsh environment not only has a scarcity of food but also extremely high water pressure. In a pressure science test, a thick-walled sphere collapsed instantly under the pressure at just 200 meters, like a ball crushed by a car. To survive in such high-pressure environments, organisms must have bodies composed mostly of water, as water is incompressible. This allows them to swim freely. However, beyond 6,000 meters, the immense pressure can destroy cellular structures, making survival difficult for most life forms. This depth is known as the Hadal Zone. If you are interested in deep-sea exploration, you can check out my previous video about Hollywood director James Cameron's solo dive to over 10,000 meters to challenge the deep-sea limits, fulfilling a childhood dream. Back to our topic. To confirm if life exists in the Hadal Zone, an international scientific team created a submersible equipped with an HD camera and bait. They deployed it in the Mariana Trench. After nearly 4 hours, the submersible reached a depth of 8,200 meters. The researchers on the ship waited in front of the monitors for a long time without seeing any creatures approach the bait. Some began to doubt that any life could exist in the deep sea with a pressure of 12,000 tons. Then, one researcher noticed something resembling a small shrimp on the monitor. However, due to the camera's limitation of taking pictures every 3 hours, they had to wait for the next transmission. When the monitor refreshed, they were excited to see numerous creatures swarming around the bait. These shrimp-like organisms were classified as amphipods by the scientists. Even more exciting was the appearance of a beautiful species with a frog-like head, eyes similar to a salamander, and a tail like a tadpole. It was identified as a vertebrate, thus classified as a fish. The researchers were thrilled and celebrated the success of the mission, as this was the first fish discovered in the Hadal Zone, which they nicknamed the lionfish. This astonishing news quickly spread, prompting a European research team to attempt capturing the lionfish alive. Their first attempt was disappointing, as they didn't catch the lionfish but found a large shrimp species, the largest amphipod discovered to date. In their second attempt, they finally captured a fish, which they identified as the lionfish. Unfortunately, it died before reaching the surface. The lionfish has a particularly soft, gel-like body, with no scales and transparent skin, revealing its internal organs. Further research by experienced biologists revealed that the lionfish can survive in the Hadal Zone due to a substance called TMAO, which is present in the highest concentration ever found on Earth. Scientists remain curious about how many undiscovered species still exist in the Earth's oceans.